Welcome everyone. In this video, we will show you how to download and install Microsoft SQL Server Express. Open your browser and go to this URL. We will provide the link below so that you could just copy and paste. And in the web page, scroll down and look for the Express Edition. There are two options during the recording of this video. Click the download button of the Express Edition. Please take into account your internet speed and machine that you're using. As you can see, the file is already downloaded. We can now start installing the SQL Server Express. I open up my downloads folder and let's double click the file. And let's wait for the options. And there you go. There are a bunch of installation types. We will select Basic. You will see the license terms and privacy statement here. Just keep scrolling. Feel free to read it. And when you're ready, just click the Accept button. Here it shows the location of the installation. I just accepted the default and some few details of the installation. Click the Install button. And let it run for several minutes to install everything we need. Depending on the machine that you're using, it could take several minutes. So I don't want to bore you. What I'm going to do is I'll just going to fast forward this for us. It's almost there. We are near to the end of the installation process. And that's it. You completed the installation of the SQL Server Express. I suggest taking a snapshot of this dialog box. You might need those details later. And that's how to download and install Microsoft SQL Server Express. I hope you learned something from this video. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification icon. We'll see you again.